Stop by and take a look at the 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortec 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, hands-free communication, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 playback stereo, intermittent wipers, front reading lamps, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.